Tess runs counterclockwise around a rectangular block JKLM. She lives at corner J. Which graph could represent her straight line distance from home? She starts here, travels like this. So I'll think about this in terms of distance over time. So when she moves from J to K, distance over time, distance is increasing and time is increasing. So distance over time is positive. So next, when she goes from K to L, I'll just write positive, clear. She's still getting further away from J. So distance over time is still positive, but it's not as large as this distance over time. In other words, distance is increasing at a slower rate relative to time. So next, when she goes, so I'll say this distance over time is this rate is less than that. Next, when she goes from L to M, distance over time, she's actually getting closer to J when she goes up. So this is negative now because the distance between this point and J is going down. And lastly, when she goes from M to J, distance over time is again negative because distance is going down. And this is going to be a larger negative number than that for the same reasoning I said about these points. So given that, A doesn't work because this is saying the distance over time is the same throughout. This doesn't work because it's saying that distance is staying the same at the beginning, which isn't true. And this one doesn't work because this is saying distance plateaus here, which isn't true. So we're down to these two. And the reason why it's this one is because when we go from this positive to this positive, here it's the same slope all the way up, and then it goes negative, but there should be a change in slope when we go from this change in slope is happening here. When we go down and then over, that's that change in slope, and then goes negative, and then when it comes back from M to J, the slope changes again, which makes sense by this graph. So not this one, therefore answer is choice D.